We humble ourselves before you as we praise your holy name and feel your presence in our midst. We implore your divine guidance and blessing as we consciously gather on this occasion in pursuit and furtherance of the cherished goals and objectives of our beloved fraternity. We beseech you, all-powerful God, to enrich our hearts, to enlighten our minds, and to broaden our understanding and compassion to one another as we carry and pursue our goal and objectives, not only in this particular occasion, but also on the many of the times our hands and strengthen our national brotherhood. All these are divine providence we fervently ask under your supreme guidance and direction. Amen.
Pasensya na, kuya.
Maabot na Gobernador sa Ilimara 6. Kuya Governor Jerry Burgas. May hapon, kuya. And to our Balinguan Eagles Club President, Kuya Enrico. And to the Region 6, Kuya Michael Plantas. The applicants, you shall now become Bonifad Eagle member or so-called Kuya. Congratulations! 13 applicants of different members of different clubs. They are having undergone and completed their mandatory orientation or the seminar orients given by me as Rusi in our Region 6. On behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership or the field director, I am now highly recommending to you these applicants of different club, the Balinguan Eagles Club, the Cleveland Eagles Club, the Salay Kasila Eagles Club, and the Lagumilong Sapong Eagles Club. And they are now ready for induction.
Okay, the next few minutes will be privilege members of your respective clubs under NMR 6. Essentially, added ko sa Cleveland. Before I actually do the oath taking ceremony, I just want you to realize one thing, and this is part of the strength of any club Manhuk ko patawag ang mga ate. So, di natin ko it's not only because of the brotherhood that we have, but because of the suporta sa itong mga ate. Mga ma'am, ang inyong mga bana, mag-apply sa Eagles, there are some requirements ikan sa ina. Kung sa'yo masuko mo, kay mo di hubog, ikan sa GMM, dugay mo ulit. Hindi mo mabalakan, ikan lagi na dito sa... by the way, manang nipidaan, di miga pamugos, umuinom. Umuinom. Ang among mga ate dito, matapang pagayo sa activities sa mga even though we don't have the Eagles. So, it's important that we realize na ang strength na to only comes from the permission ng atong mga ate. So, daghang salamat kayo sa pag-uban o pag-amuma uban sa atong Eagles Club din sa number 6. Mga kuya, atong pakpakan atong mga ate.